Bachacha! Yes! Bachacha box!
Hey kids, let's see what we have in the learning box of Bachacha. Jinwin, Pinwin, pencil on the paper, let the magic begin. Let's learn how to draw a donut. Make a large circle at the center of the paper. Draw a tiny circle a couple of inches away. This is our bun. Color. Donuts come in a variety of icings and toppings. Please feel free to use your imagination. For your understanding, we have used strawberry icing, Let's make two eyes that wink with a sweet smile. That's great! White and pink sprinkles with vanilla drizzling at the top. Yummy, isn't it? Share this yummy donut drawing with friends and family.
Stay tuned to Bachacha box. Happy hours for kids.